Okay, this is IXL Skill I3, and it's really just checking your fluency with simplifying expressions. So my advice would be on the first question, the first expression they give you, simplify it first. Okay, you can distribute 7 times v and then 7 times 4 and see that that expression is 7v plus 28. So notice they're trying to fool you with this one. Okay, 28v plus 7. No, that is not the same as 28 plus 7v or 7v plus 28. This one is equivalent. All right, because with addition, no matter which order we write those in, all right, 7v plus 28 and 28 plus 7v are have the same meaning. All right, number 2. Again, we can look at that expression, 5 times 6y, and we can multiply the 5 times 6 and say that that's going to equal 30y. So that would be right here. All right, number 3, we can use the distributive property to simplify this and see that this is negative 9b plus negative 9 times 2, that's negative 18. Now, it can be confusing if you leave the double signs. Technically, adding a negative 18 is the same as subtracting 18. All right, so I can see right now that definitely that third expression is equivalent. But the thing to keep in mind is this. Okay, we can switch the order when we add. If we were adding negative 9b plus negative 18, we can just as well switch the order and make it negative 18 plus negative 9b. But notice that's still not going to equal negative 18b plus or minus 9. So only that third choice is correct. All right, number 4, use the distributive property. And this becomes negative 4m. And then you have a negative 4 times a negative 9, that's positive 36. All right, so do the same thing here. This is going to be backwards distributing. It's going to become a positive 36 plus a negative 4m. All right, which if you switch the order on those, that becomes negative 4m plus 36. So yes, this one is good. All right, choose that one. That one is equivalent. Try the next one. If we distribute here, we get a negative 9m. All right, and then negative 9 times negative 4 is plus 36. Okay, that's not going to be the same as negative 4m plus 36. This right here really just can be found by taking negative 4 times negative 9, multiplying that by m. So this is just 36, positive 36m. And then these two, that looks exactly like the original expression. So looks like this time there are 2 correct answers to select. Number 5, we get 6w. We get 6w here. Okay. 3 times 2w, or 3w times 2, those both equal 6w. But adding w plus 6 does not equal multiplying w by 6. So none of the rest of these are any good. Right, look at the last one. If you distribute that 3, this is 3w plus 6. So that one does not equal 6w. All right. Go ahead right now. I'm going to pause the video, and why don't you try the last 3 rows here, and then press play to check your answers. Okay, look at the last 3 here. Number 6, you can see that the original expression had a value of negative 42t when you simplified it, and so that second expression was equivalent. For number 7, if you distributed, you got 2n minus 10. And so I should have boxed this one, obviously. But the last one also was correct, because even when you distribute kind of in reverse there, you would still get 2n minus 10. And the last one, if you distribute the negative 3, you get negative 3p plus 27. So the third and the fourth choices, both of those should be selected, because if you swap the order of the terms, the negative 3p and the positive 27, they both equal negative 3p plus 27. So that should do it. Give that one a try on your own at IXL.